Right, so the second part, the error was just that we needed a space separation here between, I don't know why, but we need to also use space separation here. So what it does now, he made us alright, this is the ID and this is the image number 2 and image, this is the title in our database. This is the title, image number 1, image number 2. So what it does, it just echoed out the records of all in our database. So now what I want to do, I want to make it as a table, so 4 columns and like a beautiful table. So first things first, I must write the table at the beginning. So it's table wide. I'll always use some 95%. Tier means it will be a new line. So if I write tier, it will means there will be a new line like going like this, and that's what I want. Alright, so when the loop is ended, it must be the new line has been closed and also the table has been closed. So in this loop he will echo out results between new lines. I must make only so that he makes the columns. This means this will be a column. TD means it will be a column. It will be a new line, and in this new line, if there are 10 TD and TD close tags, it means it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. So in my case, there will be only 2 columns, 1, 2, and the line will close. If, for example, if I need a new line, I will need to make another tier, and between this and another tier. So now it will make 2 columns. So I will only center them. So let's see what's happening. I mean, alright, so we have 2 columns. Beautiful. I will be not making any design features like that, for example a blue heart around them or an angel or something. I'll be making only an image with rounded corners of it. So now I must make more than 5 or 10 records to see how it makes in a new line. So I will just insert new. This is great. This is better. This is awesome. La la la. La la la. Go. And then another, just something very quick so you don't have to wait for me. And another. Great. Beautiful, I must say, very beautiful. So alright. So we will now have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have more than we have 8 lines, but I need only 4 because we write it 4. So what I must do now, sir? So we'll use call TD. This is 0. So +1. In this case it will be the first row, the next row will be 2, the next row will be 3. Great. So if this row is equal to calls, that's how many calls we have limited, then echo a new line. Great. So we must close the first line, which is this, and then we must make a new line, which is this one, the next one. So but we need to set it again 0, so equals to 0. Great. So let us see what's happening. Right, we have 4 lines. That's so hard. I mean, I will drink a tea now. You just have to listen to it. Alright, so what we must do now, we must set the limit. 1, 2, 3. We must count how many records are there. But yeah, we must count how many records are there in this table. I mean, so if it's more than 24, he echoes the next button out. So I will just copy this one out and set no limits. So what it will do, it will count all the records in this database without any limits. So mysql so for counting is mysql num rows. That means how many rows are there, and I just say records, and let us see, echo. Oops. Keep in mind that the grammar of everything has to be perfect. I mean, if there's one error, if I forgot to write this, the code will not go. It will be blank. And you have to keep in mind. So we have eight records. That's right, we have 8. So, but you have to always keep in mind that the grammar must be perfect. I suggest you use small edits and save it and check it all the time. So it will, at the beginning it will be easier for you. If the page went blank, you can go one step behind and check it. If you do like a whole page and then the page goes blank, you have to go all through the codes. If there are 500 lines, that's really a lot. Alright, so let's set limit to 5. Oh no, let's set limit to 6, and if it reaches 6, it will show the next page arrow. Alright, so let's change the limit to 6. Alright, let us see. So it will show only 6. Alright, 6 it is. So now we must make so it shows the next arrow. So let me think, how was it? Alright, so we have the records, right? That's great. I will just write it number of records, so it will be easier. Just throw this down, it will be not necessary now. So the thing is, if records are more than image, I guess. I don't quite remember how it was the better way. Echo next arrow, next next this. Oops, so this is what I meant about the grammar. I didn't see that I wrote it, I must check it. So what it does, if there are more records than the limit, then it shows next arrow. Oh no, sorry. This will be not correct, because this will be always 24. This will be always 24. So we must count how many records are in this place. But these records will be useful later on, so we must slip number of all records. Alright, so we must make this because it will show how many records are in this sequence. So records on page, num rows. Alright, so if this page has only 2 records, he will not show the next arrow. If this page has 6 records, then it will show the next page. So if records per page are equal and greater than the records on this page while it's showing, then it will echo out the next arrow. Alright, so I will check how much time I have. Okay, I must pause this. I must stop this tutorial and continue on the next part. See you.